Good morning, everyone. I am Pooja Pawar from Perfect Logic Private Limited. Today's topic is how to take automatic data backup on mail. Today, I will explain functionality of automatic data backup on mail that we have implemented in eSociety Housing Software. The purpose of this feature is to ensure that the society's data remains safe and can be recovered in case of system failure, accidental deletion, or any unexpected issues. User will be able to choose how frequently they want their data to be backup. Now let's see this functionality practically. The first step of setting this data backup functionality. For this, first we have to go to tree.
चला चला मी येतो ते एकदम
Then here in utility to user, go to email setting. Now click on add. When I click on add, here you can see in category, we have added one option of email daily backup data. Select this setting. Now here the data, the email ID on which you want to backup your data, you have to enter that email ID here. And this how to set the password of this email. For this we have to go to mail ID, click on this 9 dot. Now go to account, go to security and sign in, enter the app password, go to app password, enter your Gmail account password. Now here eLogics, click on create. Copy it, paste here. This setting is required when your bill, supplementary bill or any other. This setting, you have set this email ID is other than your society's email ID. You have not set this password at that time. You have to set this setting. After that, click on save. Here, after selecting the category email daily backup data, here you have to enter the subject, data backup. In text body, enter the text body which you want to enter. Now click on save. This is the first step that you have to set the mail here in tree to user email setting. You have to set the email. Now second step is go to quick menu. In quick menu, go to parameter. Here you can see the general parameter option. Click on this button. Now here you can see we have added this new option, auto email backup of data. Click on this option to automatically backup your data. Now here in backup schedule, we have provided the option of daily, alternate, weekly, fortnightly and monthly. Daily backup means the data will be backup every day. When you select the schedule as an alternate, in this scenario, a backup will be created every alternate day. Now third option is weekly. When you select the schedule as a weekly, the backup will be created once every week. Now fourth option is fortnightly. When you select this schedule as a fortnightly, a backup will be created once every 15 days. And the last option is monthly. When you select this schedule as a monthly, a backup will be created once every month. Select the frequency of this schedule as per your requirement. Now I'm selecting this as a daily. So when you select daily, every day data will be get backup and sent on a mail. After setting this, click on update. Okay. Now close it. As we are first time setting this email setting, as we have seen in tree to user email setting, I have set this email ID here in email daily backup. Once I set this any year of that particular society, जैसे मैंने अभी ये जो सोसाइटी है रामकृष्ण CHS, इसके 26-27 में ये ईमेल की सेटिंग कर दी है. सो बाय डिफॉल्ट जो इसके प्रीवियस ईयर जितने भी है इस सोसाइटी के, उन ईयर में ये ऑटोमेटिक email daily backup data की सेटिंग जनरेट हो जाएगी. वी डोंट नीड टू गो टू द बैक ईयर एंड अगेन क्रिएट द सेम email setting for all the preceding years. Only the thing is that this email setting will come automatically, but if you want to create this automatic data backup in previous year also, you have to go to that previous year and tick on this option to automatically start the daily backup. As per your schedule, if you want to start the backup, you have to go to parameter, general parameter, and tick on this option and select the schedule. Now you have to make sure if you are doing this setting for the first time, you have to close the software completely. Like I am closing this software. Now again, we'll open it. Now go to that particular society. I'm double click on the society which you want to backup. Here you can see the data backup is in progress. I'm open the another society. The setting which we have generated on this society, Ramakrishna CHS. Double. Here you can see now backup get completed for this Ramakrishna CHS Limited. Click on OK. For creating that backup, we have to go to that email ID which we have set. Here you can see this mail get data get backup here. Data backup on date and the time, also the year and society's name. So if you want to search the particular society's data backup, here here in its search box, enter the name of the society. Here you can see all the data backup are showing in the search box for that particular society. Here Ramakrishna CHS as I am searching for, then all the searches of that society is showing here. Whichever data backup of whichever date you want to open, you can double click on that option. Then this backup will get open. Here you can see one zip file will get generated of that society. So in this file, your data get backup, which is in zip file. Now we'll show the next option. We'll go to the same society. Here we can see as this software is already open, this is showing the data backup is currently in use or open. Backup process cannot be completed. Please close the database to restart the backup. So when the software is already open, in this case, this prompt will show. So you have to make sure the software is closed. Now go to utility, go to tree. इन यूटिलिटी टू यूजर ईमेल सेटिंग. अगर आपको देखना है कि जो सोसाइटी हमने डेटा बैकअप के लिए सिलेक्ट की है, उस डेटा बैकअप उस सोसाइटी की हिस्ट्री देखनी है आपको कि कब कब डेटा बैकअप हुआ है. सो इन दिस सिनेरियो यू हैव टू डबल क्लिक ऑन दिस रिकॉर्ड email daily backup data. Here you can see you will get all the dates on which data get backup. As I previously backup same society's previous year. So all the date of the same society showing here. That means on 26th of June, 26, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, and 22nd of June, data get backup. So you will also get to know the history of data backup, on which data get backup. This is all about the today's session. Thank you everyone for joining this session.